what do we have here? Stream data line. Charging data 2-in-1. I did not order this either. Wow, they must have thrown some extra goodies in. Welcome back, everybody. Today we are going to be doing a wee bit of an after Christmas unboxing. This happy box, all the way from China, made it through customs. And not without being opened. So this is how I received it, but I haven't gone through it. So let's open this and see what kind of goodies come from that magical land called China. Numero uno. What is this? What is this? Oh mama. Look at that. Wow, that's heavy. That is a brand new board holder. I am very excited to use that, especially for these chip placement things, man. It's irritating when you're trying to lay a chip in there or clean it or whatever you need to do and you can't. So that is going to be handy. Can't wait to try that one out. Number 2 is another one. This is the A21. Ooh, boy, this one's heavy too. Has all the chips, all the different boards. I believe that one is supposed to be universal, but I could be wrong. The third present. Paper cuts watch. What the hell is this? I don't remember ordering this. What is this? I did not order it. It's a Galdang watch. How do you open it? I got no idea. I got no idea what this is or why it showed up, and these directions make no sense. No sense at all. Alright. Well, hey, that was a Santa Claus gift, evidently, because I got no idea. We'll have to revisit that later if we can figure out what that is. I wonder if I got someone else's box. I mean, I know I ordered those other two. Let's set the Santa gift over there. Oh, mama, look at this. That right there is a geek bar tool. And that is for scraping the underfill around the underfilled chips. That is pretty fancy. I can't wait to start using that. I've been using a razor blade. I've been using one of these guys. And that works pretty well. But this hook should be pretty significant difference. And I'll look forward to future videos using these to see how they feel. Alright, gift number 5. Ho 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 ho. A brand spanking new digital multimeter. Wow, man, they opened all of my stuff. I can tell that everything in here has been opened. Except for that watch. I don't know if they knew what to do with the watch. So, I just got this one to have as a secondary, but it had some neat little features on it, testing the transistors and whatnot. Yeah, hell, I don't know. Just a new multimeter. Got some cables in there for it. Set that aside for now. Boy, there's more in here. I don't remember ordering this much stuff. Alright. What is this? Shape us. We shape our tools. Thereafter, tools shape us. It's a great logo. Motto. Whatever. Oh, yes! Oh, look at this. I have seen other videos where they use these. And I have wanted to buy one. And check this out, dude. Oh, wow, these are actually soldered on already. I thought I was going to have to solder them on. The, oh, interesting. The ones I bought showed that they were disconnected and I would solder them. But anyway, these are, if you can see, these are the complete, like the battery and the charging dock connector. So you can use this guy to hit your power button. So you can prompt to boot a naked motherboard without hot wiring it with your tweezers. You can just push the button now and it'll send the signal because it's going through. I cannot wait to try these guys out. That is very neat. I hear some more stuff in the box. Let's reach in. What is this? Wow. That's pretty neat. I've never bought in tweezers packaged that way before. I think I paid like 12 bucks for these. They were the most expensive tweezers I've ever purchased. Wow, look at the tip on those babies. Wow, them are sharp. That is nice. And boy, they come together. Let's take a minute to inspect these guys under the microscope. Okay, so I can't show you under the microscope because I just changed my camera setup and now I don't have enough bandwidth. So you'll have to trust me that they are pretty rad. Pretty rad indeed. But you'll see me using them in future videos. So we'll get a good close. These are the finest point tips I've ever used and seen. Even under the microscope, these are amazing precision. One of my biggest gripes with tweezers is when you get them and one tip is a little bit longer than the other, and it's like, really? Because then they're kind of worthless. Alright, that's pretty neat though. Pretty neat. Is there anything else? Ooh, what is this? This is the A11 3D stencil from Casey. It's the same one I use on all the other ones. Same brand. That's a good stencil. These 3D stencils are so nice. I think they're like 20 bucks or something, but they are worth it. Absolutely are worth it. I'll just put that guy in his new home. Oh, I see one more gift in the old box. And what do we have here? Stream data line. Charging data 2-in-1. I did not order this either. Wow, they must have thrown some extra goodies in. Let's see. I think that's just an Apple cord. Let's open it. Yeah, I did not order this. I'm just gonna pretend that they are gifts because these two items I have no idea. Yeah, anyway, I got no idea. I was reading the back of this though, and it looks like a vegan watch. It says vegan. It's my little high-def camera not even able to focus. Whatever, you'll have to believe me on it. That is pretty funny. Light as a feather, it says. It is kind of light. So, there you have it. We have some stuff that we didn't order. And we have some pretty cool stuff that we did order. Alright, but there you have it. We got some brand new Christmas presents day after Christmas. And yeah, we got some good stuff. So more jobs on the way, more videos are coming. Hope you guys all had a very Merry Christmas, and we will see you on the next repair.